that we can track any kind of machine, any kind of asset, and we will also go and track our personal protective equipment over ToolSense.
That it's so mobile phone based, because out in the field, most of our managers don't use the computer all the time.
Being able to combine equipment onto like one dashboard to where we have motorized equipment and non-motorized equipment.
For our client, more importantly, they can confirm that they have done services without a lot of difficulty. They can find out exactly where their pieces of equipment are.
And one really important thing for us is that it's not license based on our co-workers. It's only on our first line managers.
The tool itself was very simple. The POC went very smooth, and I think the partnership that ToolSense team provided, whether it was supporting us on the entire planning of the transitioning, the management itself, understanding our requirements, being price sensitive, all of these elements just made it a natural fit for us.